Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to run a computer performance benchmark test, run GPU stress test, run CPU test, and run a RAM speed test. The first thing you're going to do is open up your favorite browser, and we are going to search for Nova Bench. Once you have typed that in, just hit enter, and you should have a result from novabench.com. So under it, you should have a download option, so click on it and we should be able to visit the site. From here, we are going to choose based on our operating system. So I'm going to select Windows since I'm using Windows, and it should automatically start downloading the installer file. So we just have to wait for it. And once it is done downloading, you just have to click on it so it will be opened, and we are now ready to install Nova Bench. From here, click on Next, and you can change the destination file by clicking on Change. So I'm just going to keep it like that, and click on Next again, and click on Install. You might be asked to say yes, so just do that. And now we have installed Nova Bench, so you can check to launch Nova Bench right here, so it will automatically open once you click on Finish. And now we are opening the Nova Bench app, so let's just wait for it so we can then start the test. So this is the Nova Bench window, and what we're going to do is to simply click on the Start All Benchmark Tests right here. Now it will start with the CPU test, and it will also show the time remaining. And so you just have to wait for the test to finish. It is testing the computer and its graphics, so you just have to wait for the results. Once the test is done, you should be able to see your results for your CPU, GPU, memory, and storage scores. You can read through it and click on View Details to know more about it. And this is how you can basically run a computer performance benchmark test to know more about your GPU, CPU, and your RAM. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.